از بلوچ‌های ایران هستند، مسئول سازمان حقوق بشر بلوچستان در لندن. بفرمایید.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I highlight briefly about torture, execution, and assassination in Balochistan, Iran. The Iranian intelligence personnel arrested him on 15th of May 2012. He was taken to prison and tortured to confess on fabricated allegation which he had no part. Following his imprisonment, his son and other 4 innocent Baloch were arrested and tortured to confess and appear before a TV stage show and be witness to involvement of Maulvi Fatih Muhammad Naqshbandi in anti-state activities and receiving funds from Qatar. Another father and son is the same situation. This picture of another Baloch victim who forcefully confessed against his own father for being involved in countering pro-state functionaries in Balochistan. Another 2 gentlemen, they are in same case. This execution in 2012 and 2013. 23 Baloch were executed, but we believe those figures are not accurate because many Baloch prisoners were exiled to another provinces. In Iran, due to its technical structure, there is no mechanism to collect proper information and an accurate figure on the exact number of execution. So we believe that the regime has executed more than 23 and is cancelling the true figure. Assassination. In 2012 and 2013 were 2 Baloch tribal leaders and civil society activists. Also, 1 clerk has been assassinated by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard and intelligence services in Zahedan. According to clerk family, the Revolutionary Guard has made some phone call to clerk before he assassinated. The Revolutionary Guard made some phone call to him not to go ahead with building a mosque in his area because he was persuaded to be promoting his faith, Sunnism, especially threatened him prior to his assassination. We watch a small clip for 1 minute about high-risk job in Balochistan. It's just for 1 minute, I think. Hold on. Bear with me, please. No. I think we can't play. I try to play the original clip. Yeah. Sorry about that. This clip shows the job of majority of Baloch people. This is an example. This video clearly shows how disappeared people are to make a major living. Those people are taking enormous risk. Among them are university graduates and some children. The border guards are very often firing them. Unfortunately, many have lost their lives. The main cause of taking a high-risk job is the discrimination against Baloch in employment sector. According to a report by UN Special Rapporteur Dr. Ahmad Shahid, Balochistan is poorest region in the Iran. A prison and a new torture cell in Zahedan. From last 7 months, a Baloch political prisoner, Karim Bakhshi, is holding in solitary confinement. According to human rights activists, a new torture cell is created in Zahedan prison. Unfortunately, in this cell, in 24 hours, only 2 times prisoners have right to use toilet. Also, they are not allowed to contact outside until he or she is holding in cell. A young prison was killed in Zahedan prison because to prevent to the hospital. Just recently we received a huge list about Baloch prisoners from other provinces. We have a list of 26 Baloch political prisoners who have been sentenced to exile in Ahvaz, Kashan, Ardabil, Tabriz, Masjid Suleiman, Gajsaran, Chanaran, and another cities. This is we have all of name, date of birth, father name, and name of city. According to Balochistan Human Rights Organization member, 900 prisoners are holding in Sarawan prison. 150 are them waiting for execution. Also, 70 underage are holding in custody of children. 20 of them charged, sentenced to death. In addition, 12 female prisoners are kept in female custody in Sarawan city prison. Conclusion. To conclude, it is a sad and regrettable fact that our human rights in Balochistan are being violated systematically by the Iranian regime. Balochistan Human Rights Organization is hereby request the international bodies and human rights organizations such as UNHRC and EU commissioners for human rights to take some practical steps for improvements of human rights in Balochistan. Thank you very much for listening.